Good morning all of you. This is the first video of lesson 5 and class 5. The name of the chapter will be our nervous system. See this? Now till the last video you have read about our body. Okay? In the last video you read this. Last chapter was of our body. Now in this video you will be reading about our nervous system. Okay? So what happen is that our body, suppose what is happening, I get hot, I am touching the hot thing. If I touch by mistake, if I am touching this hot iron, my hands will go away. Is it? Yes? Or if some mosquito is there on my hand, I will just rub it. If a fly is there, we'll just do like this. Or if suppose I am eating one tablet of this Hajmola, this will be my reaction. Why? Because this is very much sour or salty. So from where does this happen? Where does this happen? It happens because of our nervous system. So there is a system in our whole body that controls all these activities, or that controls all the system of our body whichever are present in our body. So that is the nervous system, that is, it controls the activities of all other organ system. All other organ system will be the breathing system, the digestive system, the circulatory system. All these systems, the whole body system will be coordinated by the nervous system. So it consists of these three things: brain, spinal cord and nerves. Okay. Brain, spinal cord and nerves. So first we will be reading about the brain. Okay. So in the earlier chapter you read that this is the skull. Fine. This was the skull. That is the bony framework. It is protecting our brain. Inside the skull there is brain. Inside our skull, the one that we can touch now, inside it there is a soft brain. Okay, that is the control center of our body. That is, all our activities, all our learning, all our memorizing is controlled by our brain. It coordinates, control the body processes. Body processes means the breathing, the digestion, the excretion, the heart. All these systems, they are controlled by our brain. Okay. Then it controls movement of body part. Like now I am moving my hand from here to here. So all these movements, they are controlled by my brain. Next is it interprets sensation. Like I touch this hot thing. I touch the hot iron. That the skin of my hand has interpreted that it is hot. When I had this Hajmola, the tongue, the taste receptors of my tongue has tasted that this is sour. Or when there is a fly sitting on your hand and you are moving your hand like this, then your hand receptors or your skin has made out that there is a fly, and the message has gone to the brain, and from brain the message has come to the hand to move your hand. So it interprets the sensation. Like all the cases, all the three cases I told, the sensations are being developed in the body, and the brain is asking the body or the body parts to react accordingly. Okay. Then it enables us to think, learn, memorize and apply logic. So all the things, now whatever you have learned from 1 to 5 nursery, that is stored in your brain. You can learn from there, from the brain. You can think also from there. Think means like your mother is telling you to bring 2 liters of milk, and in the shop there is only 1 liter. So okay, you say to the shopkeeper, okay, you give 1 liter. 1 liter I'll take in the evening. So that thing can be applied. Then memorize, remembering what your teacher has told, what you are writing in the exam, what you have learned at home. All these things they are coming under the memorizing. And apply logic means thinking yourself that what in under what conditions what is to be done. That depends on the brain and its power. So all these things, that is, these are the functions of the brain. That is control center of the body. It is coordinating the body processes. It controls the movement of the body and its various parts, interprets sensations, and it allows the body parts to react accordingly. Then it enables us to think, learn, memorize, and apply logic. So with this, for the next part is your processes or the parts of the brain, that will be discussed in the next video. Thank you. So you have to write it from here or from the campus care. The same will be uploaded from the in the campus care also. From anywhere, from there or from here, you can write it as flowchart.